Ola bannange temutweka. Nina motoka gye twagala. Wale motoka gye twagala.
Bukedia is the gateway to Tesebepa Jamuna Karinale. You're welcome. You're welcome. Remember Jamuna Kari, no Jamani Alama. Anyway, you want to that over the carre. Dele pico, Papa Quere de Cacayan, Papa Quero. Ah, Dobera que era sobre el comedido, no me recuerdo. Y why. General, you're also welcome to Bukedia District. Kesi no former president onene president kesi aitu dodo kwa naitu kumunu auria ros e bala kwa na isdabe anaito du ni ponisholo ajoka e kotobo kwa na isda okira Bukedia aina kini okoke ala poroni adopa itenge eje ngina don't get offended when we call you our brother. For us, we don't know the title. Our brother. Mamili ngoni woro sojo ona takosi. Mamsije na chiango nyato ngezo ona chiango. Kumele kwa hii.
When you're in Bukede, you are at home. And you have your fighters here. We want to thank you so much for coming and come again.
Yala mangisa nungisa bunere. Obongo ngisi. Papa iskona.
Right Honorable Speaker, Deputy Speaker, Honorable Ministers here present, all members of Parliament, LC5 chairpersons, generals of the Updf present here, all local leaders. Thank you so much for this welcome to Teso. Thank you so much for coming in big numbers. Yoga. Ayala Manoi. I'm very excited to be back in Teso. I know Teso very well. I was here in 2003 when LRA had invaded Teso. I was in Soroti for almost 6 months that time. So I know Teso very well. It is my home, and I thank you for this warm welcome. Before I forget, President Museveni oye! President Museveni oye! MK movement oye! Speaker Anita Mung oye! Teso oye! Thank you very much. Now, I don't have much to say. I've come here to greet you. We have more programs in Soroti. Today, we have a football match with the youth. Then we have a kaski in the night. For the young people to dance and feel happy. And then tomorrow we have our baraza. So if you can, please come for this function in Soroti. And transport. Please come, we'll have a lot of fun there. And I'll give my main speech tomorrow. Otherwise, thank you so much. And God bless you. Thank you.
This is the last one.
One time we went to Kisozi and Muhoozi gave us some cows. And today we also want to give you Mpano. We want to work with you to receive a cow, one of the cows, what has been produced from what Muhoozi gave us. And we want to ask the members. Who is translating? So what I do? We want to ask the members, we believe in the government projects. And we know you're helping Muhoozi to follow the government projects. In Kachumbala here, we want you to commission the giving of a development project to a check in one of the sub-counties. This is Koena, which is in Kidongola. Where is the chairman LOC5? Chairman LOC5, come and receive on behalf of the women. This is for women and youth development. In order for us to have money economy, we want to embrace the government projects. Chair, come and receive this. That is our LOC5 chairperson. Come and receive on behalf of Koena. Atekere. Bonebe mami separa taking a check sikere. Konye iauti sirina taking group nulo ngoro keralo atomona kamere. Ichalo kere.